Alex, I can't believe Sonic Colors was the first one you opened.
No, that was really amazing, isn't it?
And I said I knew it. I think that was going to be one, and I knew it. Sweet, now I can battle the bad guy with Transformer from Minor. I can battle the bad guy. It's your own car. Sonic. Sonic Rush Avenger.
Nice rating, Alex.
Really good, dude.
Daddy, look. Mommy, Daddy, you think I should watch
Eddie's got it down.
I have Wolverine.
Ooh.
You know what I think it is? Nerf. Nerf.
Awesome.
Awesome. Hang on. Mom, can you make some more room?
I will try. What you got, bud?
Bless you.
There.
Scooby-Doo. We love Scooby-Doo.
It's a reading. Oh my God, I got so much reading. One Sonic Colors. Two is How to Train Your Dragon. 3 is Iron Man, and now Scooby-Doo. Pokemon! Yes! My God, I really want to do this.